Hello everybody, on the electric bike tonight. Yep, I'm going. Here are the joys of electricity. This guy's going to overtake me. Ooh, and that. How is everybody? I had a rant yesterday, didn't I? About China. Well, about the UN and everybody not doing anything about it. Sods. I'd have thought the UN might have said something, because obviously they made the agreement with China, and China signed the agreement saying they weren't going to change anything, and then they're doing what they want. But that's life, I suppose. See what happens over the next few days. Right, I'm going to go up an hill on the electric bike. See if I can get up an hill. That car's turning past me as well. See, I'm 15 stone. My daughter, she's alright. She just flies of them. Not sure if I will or not. Oh, it's turned off. It's not a right nice night tonight. Hello, Mr. Foxy. Can you see Mr. Foxy? What are you doing, Mr. Fox? You're over there. Oh, so they'll scare you. Go on, lad, in your Merc. You go for it, my boy. See? Full throttle. Max wrist throttle full. Maximum wrist. There's a guy behind me now. I'll let him go. So don't let him go. She waved to me. That's nice, isn't it? Right, I gotta get some power up. Come on. I gotta get up this hill. See how fast I can get up this hill. It's quite a steep hill actually. I gotta give it full throttle around this bend, and then get up the hill. 38. Oh, look at that steep hill up there. Oh no. Come on, boy, you can do it. I took the chain off the pedals so I can't pedal it. Because it was doing me head in. Come on, you can do it. Don't tell me you're going to not do it. Please. 27 kilometers an hour. I shall do it. 25 kilometers an hour. Oh my god, I'm going to make it. That's good, isn't it? Oh, that's a nice house. I like that house. The thing about going slow is you see everything. Everything around you. Look, I'm speeding up now. And I made it, see? Made it going up that hill. That's cool, isn't it? Just in case you haven't seen the bike. Smaller than a 50cc, but it's got everything on it, you know, the lights, the brake lights and the stuff, and the discs on the front and the back, and the headlight is pucker, very bright. I'll just turn it off quickly. I'll show you how many miles this has done so far. It's done 1,124 kilometers. Now what's that in miles? God knows. 300 is 500 kilometers. 600, probably about 650 miles, something like that. Anyway, she'll whiz down here. Disc brakes are ace on it. I'm going to put my phone on there. Right, better techno's coming. I'm going down the hill. Breakneck speed, watch this. 25, 26, 27, 30, 32, 33, 36, 39, 40. 41 is where the controller says, I might as well take the throttle off. .43. I saw 43 kilometers an hour there. Now you think about it, you think, oh well, that's not, but a 50cc moped will only do 50 kilometers an hour. And you got to pay a license and insurance and all that stuff, and put fuel in it. So this will do 24 miles an hour max. It's supposed to be 15 by law, but you can just sort it out a little bit if you want to. I think 50 mile per hour by law is too not enough, if you know what I mean. 24 is better, because it gets you at a speed where cars can still overtake you, but at 50 miles an hour they can't judge your speed as they approach you from behind. So at 24 they don't creep up behind as fast. So yeah, like this car behind me now, if I were doing 50 miles an hour, it would overtake me by now. I'm going to indicate so he knows I'm going to be turning right, and as long as that car in front of me doesn't try to kill me. Yep, it's broke. It's on my indicator on the front, which is nice. So yeah, bikes, sound as a pound, as you might say. I've got a side stand and a main stand. I've put it on the side stand for a minute. Just a quick walk around the bike. Yeah, dual suspension at the back. I took all the panels off and waxed them, all the stuff underneath. I think the motor's in the back, 250 watt. I go bought it from BUMBLEBEE bikes. Good place in Essex, not Essex, Suffolk I think it is. Somewhere down by water anyway. Battery voltage is 48 volt. Motor output is 250 watts. It's a 16 amp per hour lithium battery pack underneath the seat. And she's fine and dandy. Got all the normal turn signals. Obviously disc brakes as the reservoirs at the top. And she's fine and dandy. I'll show you from the front actually, so you can see my fat willy sticker. I've got a fat willy. Don't tell everybody, will you? So, yep. As you can see, very bright light. I wonder if I've got lights on. Have I got lights on? And then you put main beam on by that one there. So that's your main beam in the middle. Cool. Right. I'm going to get off and leave you. Alright, that was just a quick one. Have fun, everybody. Stay safe. And just relax and enjoy life. Life's too short, isn't it? Right, tatty bye. Oh, I got my gloves on, by the way. 43-year-old gloves again. Thought I'd wear them again. Yep, forgot to put the zips up. Right, tatty bye, everybody. Bye bye now.